Setting goals is easy, but achieving them can often feel like an uphill battle. Many people set ambitious goals only to find themselves falling short time and time again. So why aren't you achieving your goals? And more importantly, how can you fix it? Lack of clarity. If your goals are vague or poorly defined, it's no wonder you're not achieving them. Without clear, specific objectives, it's difficult to know exactly what you're working toward. Fix it. Define your goals using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to get in shape," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by working out 3 times a week and eating a balanced diet." Unrealistic expectations. Many people set goals that are either too ambitious or unrealistic given their current circumstances. This can lead to frustration and burnout when they can't meet their own high expectations. Fix it. Break your big goals into smaller, more manageable steps. If your ultimate goal is to run a marathon, start by setting a goal to run a 5K, then a 10K, and so on. Celebrate each milestone along the way to keep your motivation high. Procrastination. Procrastination is one of the biggest obstacles to achieving your goals. Whether it's fear of failure, lack of confidence, or simply not knowing where to start, procrastination can sabotage even the best-laid plans. Fix it. Overcome procrastination by breaking tasks into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Start with something easy to build momentum, and use techniques like time blocking or the Pomodoro technique to stay focused. Set deadlines for each task to create a sense of urgency. Lack of accountability. When you're the only one who knows about your goals, it's easy to let yourself off the hook. Without accountability, it's tempting to skip a workout, push deadlines, or give up altogether. Fix it. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or coach who can help keep you accountable. You could also join a group or online community with similar goals to stay motivated. Regular check-ins with someone else will push you to stay on track. Not reviewing progress. Many people set goals and then forget about them, never taking the time to assess their progress. Without regular check-ins, it's easy to lose sight of where you're headed and why. Fix it. Schedule regular reviews to track your progress. This could be weekly, monthly, or quarterly, depending on the nature of your goal. Reflect on what's working, what isn't, and what adjustments you need to make. Celebrate your wins and learn from your setbacks. Focusing on the outcome, not the process. It's common to focus on the end result rather than the journey. While having a clear vision of your goal is important, getting too attached to the outcome can lead to frustration, especially when progress is slow. Fix it. Shift your focus to the process. Embrace the small daily habits and actions that will get you to your goal. For example, instead of obsessing over the number on the scale, focus on eating nutritious meals, staying active, and practicing self-care. The results will come as a natural byproduct of consistent effort. Fear of failure can be paralyzing. It often prevents people from even starting or causes them to give up at the first sign of difficulty. When you fear failure, you may self-sabotage to protect yourself from the disappointment of not succeeding. Fix it. Reframe your relationship with failure. Instead of seeing it as a negative outcome, view it as a learning experience. Every setback is an opportunity to grow and adjust your approach. Embrace the idea that failure is a natural part of the process and a stepping stone to success. Not having a strong why. If you're not emotionally connected to your goals, it's easy to lose motivation when things get tough. Without a compelling reason behind your goals, you'll struggle to stay committed. Fix it. Identify your why, the deeper reason behind your goal. Ask yourself why this goal matters to you and how achieving it will impact your life. When your goal is aligned with your values and passions, you'll find the motivation to push through obstacles. Overloading yourself. Sometimes people take on too many goals at once, spreading themselves too thin. This can lead to burnout and a lack of focus, making it difficult to achieve anything substantial. Fix it. Prioritize your goals. Choose 1 or 2 key goals to focus on at a time, and give them your full attention. Once you've made progress or achieved them, you can move on to the next. Remember, it's better to succeed at one goal than to struggle with 5 at once. Not adjusting your plan. Life is unpredictable and your initial plan might not always work out as expected. Some people get stuck in their ways, refusing to adjust their strategy even when it's clear it's not working. Fix it. Be flexible and willing to adapt your plan as needed. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot. Reflect on what's holding you back and experiment with different approaches. The key is to keep moving forward, even if that means taking a different path than you originally envisioned. Achieving your goals isn't always easy, but by addressing these common obstacles and making the necessary adjustments, you can set yourself up for success. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Keep moving forward, stay committed, and don't be afraid to ask for help or adjust your plan along the way. With the right mindset and strategy, you can turn your goals into reality.